Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Realme Buds 2 earphones, and as you can see on the box it says feel the real bass, which means that the company is saying that these are bass forward earphones. So without further ado, let's get right into opening this box. In here you have the earphones themselves. We're going to pull this out and set it aside. And you also have the user manual and a few extra silicone tips. And there's pretty much nothing else in this box, so we're going to set it aside. So firstly, let's look at the user manual. It's a tiny little manual, but it contains instructions about how to use your headphones, basically specifications of the headphones, and also what's inside the box. So that's pretty useful and it's pretty cute and compact. So we're going to set this here and we're going to take a look at the extra silicone tips that's been provided in here. So here you have, we're guessing, the large size tips as well as the small size tips. So these are your options. You can really see which one fits you the best and use them to get maximum comfort, a secure fit, and also better music quality. So yes, there we go. We have the large earphones and the small, and here we have the earphones themselves. So let's take it out of its plastic wrapping, and there you go. This is actually a fiber wire, a cloth wire, so it won't get tangled easily, as you can see. And you also have a little rubber flap here to basically, if you want to stow away a part of your wire, you can just do this and basically that won't get in your way anymore. So that's a pretty neat addition that they've put in here. This is the green colored earphones and it looks pretty nice. It's a dark bottle green color. It looks unique and pretty aesthetically pleasing. Here you can see we have the 3.5mm connector, audio connector, so you can basically plug this into your phone, into your tablet, into your laptop and other such gadgets. On the right earphone wire, here you have the Inline Control, which basically has buttons on them. So you have the center button, which we're guessing is for pausing and playing music and answering and declining calls, and you also have the volume controls here, and that's about it. You also have a mic here which can hear you and allow you to make calls hands-free. And now let's come to the earphones themselves. They have magnetic tips and they look pretty neat too. So that's about it for the Realme Buds 2 wireless earphones. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. We hope you liked the video.